Hello, beloved of God and beautiful friend of True Reflections Ministry. I am back and I'm so very excited to invite you to the Beauty of the Mastermind workshop. So let me tell you my goal, my end goal for you is that when you leave the workshop, that you will personally feel that Philippians 3, chapter 3, verse 8 is true for you. That you will count everything rubbish, that you will count everything like garbage in comparison to knowing the mind of Jesus Christ. So come find out his thoughts. He says that we have access to them. And it is so very important because we're going to be unpacking some of our topics from the Chosen by Love Day Retreat. Now, if you didn't make it to the day retreat, don't worry about it. I'm going to catch you up. You're going to get all caught up that day. So we're going to be talking about significance. If Jesus died on the cross for us, for you, then why is it that sometimes we feel like we have no value at all? If we are called to worship and praise our King, why is it that sometimes we are not jumping in head first into the deep end of worship? I think those are really good questions. So let's ask God together. Let's press into Holy Spirit and let's see what he reveals through his word. I encourage you to bring a friend. This is going to be a journey. We're going to be having some time of reflection. And oh my goodness, if you loved the prayer garden, you're really going to enjoy the oasis. I'm not going to tell you more about that, but it is something you will want to experience. So that's it for now, my friend. But I so look forward to seeing you at the Beauty of the Mastermind workshop. Blessings.